Okay, guys, today for science, we are looking at farm animals. I'm going to go through these slides and just go over the different animals and what they eat and the characteristics that help them survive. And then you're going to do a kind of like a scavenger hunt where you read information about the animal and then you decide which animal it's talking about. The Holstein Dairy Cow. It eats its grass. It eats grass right here. And it also has hard wide hooves to help it balance and move. It has flat teeth to help it eat the grass. It has eyes on the side of its head so that it can see potential dangers that are coming. Oh, sorry. And it has a thick wiry coat to protect it in different types of weather, and it has large sensitive ears so that it can hear different noises and can move accordingly. For your chicken, it eats grass, fruits, worms, and insects. It's covered in feathers to help protect it. It has 2 wings. It has claw feet and a sharp beak, which those both help it get to the food that it needs to eat and help protect itself. A horse eats hay, grass, oats, and fruits. It excels at sprinting short distances. If it gets spooked or it needs to move, it can move quickly in short periods of time. Or short distances, sorry. Its muscular body helps it to stand and hold people if someone needs to ride it, and also helps protect itself. Its long whisking tail it uses to protect itself from annoying flies and any other things that are bothering it. It chews in a circular motion and for its food so that it can digest the hay, the grass, the oats, and the fruits that it eats. And has a thick and tough skin covered in fur that helps protect it in the different types of weather. Sheep eat grass. There's no wool on their face, belly, or legs. They have eyes on the side of their head so they can see potential dangers while they have their heads down and they're eating. They don't have any top teeth. They use a grinding pad at the top. They have hard hooves to help it move and stand on different in the grass different times of the year. And then its strong hind leg muscles help it move quickly. When it's scared or feels like it's in danger, sheep move into a group. They band together. A toad eats small insects such as flies, moths, and mosquitoes. It has strong hind legs to help it jump, get away from predators. It has eyes on the side of its head so that it can see predators coming. It has a long sticky tongue so it can catch its food, and has slimy skin to protect it from predators as well. The grass carp eats water weeds, aquatic plants, and small fish. So it has eyes on the side of its head so that it's moving through the water. It can see food and potential predators. It has gills to help it breathe in the water. Its fin helps it move. Its flexible spine, the fin helps it move through the water to swim. Its flexible spine helps it to move if it needs to get around something to get away from predators or to get to food. And then its body is covered in scales to help protect it. It's like an extra layer to help protect it from predators. A duck eats small fish, aquatic plants, and fish eggs. It has 2 wings, kind of like it's that it uses for its arms to help it move through the water. It's covered in feathers to help protect it and help it move in the water. Has eyes on the side of its head to help it see potential dangers and find its food. Its long, flexible neck and pointy beak help it to get its food. A domestic cat eats mice and rats. So we're talking about um, domestic cats. Those are cats that sometimes people take into their home as pets. These are not the cats like lions or tigers. They have sharp teeth to help them tear the animals that they eat. Their retractable claws means that they can pull them in or out. So when they feel like they need to use them to protect themselves or to help them climb, they pull them out. It has long whiskers. The whiskers help them to see at night and also helps them to sense predators. And then their thick fur coat helps to protect them during different types of weather. German Shepherd eats fruit, fish, fruits, and vegetables. It has a strong sense of smell. As you know, these dogs are used in police units a lot of the time because they have a strong sense of smell, so it helps them to smell the food that they're trying to look for, and also can help them to smell danger. They have a double coat. Coming from Germany, originated in Germany, this double coat would have helped them to stay extra warm. So being in the States, it just helps protect them in different types of weather. Has a long snout and sharp teeth to help it get its food, and it can use its teeth to protect itself as well. The Carolina anole eats crickets, grasshoppers, flies, and spiders. Has a long pointed head with ridges between the eyes and nostrils. That gets pronounced if they feel stressed in times like fighting. It has adhesive pads on their toes so that they can move in on different trees and leaves. And the color can change from brown to green, so that camouflage helps protect it from potential dangers. The domestic pig eats leaves, roots, fruits, flowers, insects, and fish. It has 4 hooved toes on each foot that help it stay balanced and help it move. They do a lot of shifting. The bristled hair in some areas helps it stay protected. It has a long snout and 44 teeth, similar to our teeth in use to help it get its food and chew it. Okay, so those are all the different animals that we're looking at, and these slides will be uploaded for you if you need to go back through them. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, guys, so another part of our lesson is looking at adaptations. What do you need to live? You need food, you need water, you need a place to sleep, which is shelter. All animals need these things as well, and we talked about that when we were looking at dependency before, right? All living things need places to live. All living things live in a habitat, and we looked at the hermit crab habitat before in science, right? A forest is a habitat. A prairie is a habitat. The ocean is another habitat. Like their habitats, animals all look different. It's because they have different adaptations. An adaptation is a change that helps an animal to survive in its habitat. A change that helps an animal to survive in its habitat. And let me just, a side note here, just to let you know that some animals inherit these adaptations. They're not, so they're just like naturally born with them. The long neck of a giraffe is an adaptation. It helps it reach food in tall trees because of where it lives. The colors of a lizard are an adaptation. Sometimes they need to camouflage, right? They help the lizard blend in with the colors of nature. Can you think of other animals that have adaptations? Yes, you can. We looked at animals on a farm and all the different characteristics that I read to you. Those are adaptations that help the animal to survive. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about adaptations, and be sure to do your assignment, which is Your assignment today for science is the scavenger hunt. All right, thanks, guys.